Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. My name is Ruben Vaughn. People around here call me Coach Vaughn. Some of the students call me Mr. Coach Vaughn. However, you can call me Mr. Vaughn, Coach Vaughn, your choice. With that being said, I am the Moving to Wellness teacher here on the wonderful campus of YMLA, better known as Young Men's Leadership Academy. Your son, your scholar, your precious child, your precious loved one that you send us every day, I want you to know that we do not take that for granted. We love that. We love them. We care about them. Not only do we, but I want you to know that I love them. I care about them. I want to see them successful. And so I want you to know that I teach Moving to Wellness here, and Moving to Wellness is health and PE. It's 50% PE, 50% health. We'll do either a week of PE, then a week of health, or we'll do 2 weeks of PE, then 2 weeks of health, depending on what the projected weather is, because I don't want us to have to be on a week of PE when the weather's going to be bad and we're outside. So I try to make certain that I check on the weather and then adjust accordingly. All right, so I teach 6th graders. And then I also have 7th and 8th grade, this year I have 8th graders and some high schoolers from an athletic perspective during our athletic classes. I want you to know the reason why I teach. I teach for multiple reasons, but the biggest reason that I teach is these right here. You can't quite see mine very well, but I teach for the eyebrows, I teach for the eyes, and then I teach for the teeth in this case. I want to see your child do this. I want to see their excitement when they learn something new. I love that. I love seeing their faces for that. Something about that is just great because I know, hey, I had a hand. I played a little bit in their understanding of something new that comes into their life. And how many people can say that they have touched someone to give them an opportunity to experience something new, to see something new, to realize it? And so I love that. I really do. I love that, the opportunity to be able to see their eyebrows, to see their smiles, to see the eyes just light up with joy and excitement. But on the flip side of that, I also enjoy seeing them like, oh, I like that too, because when they learn some other things that are just natural, but it gives me joy. It does. It causes me to laugh. And so when we're doing some of the things in our health side, when they learn about their bodies, and then they learn about just things in general, you get those looks and like, oh man, the body does that and make that sound. Yeah, that's just natural. It's just what happens. And if your body didn't make that sound, then you're no longer alive. So we want them to know more about themselves, and I enjoy that. I enjoy teaching the students. I enjoy being around them. I enjoy getting to know them. Because it's great. A little bit about me. I'm a Fort Worth product. I am born and raised here in the great city of Fort Worth, born and raised out in the community of Como on the west side. I went to OD Wide High School. We moved to Forest Hill right when I got going into high school. So I graduated OD Wide High School, played sports there. I went to TCU on a football scholarship, and I did my things there. And so I got a chance to, like I said, to enjoy my time there on the campus of TCU, playing football, and got my degree in psychology from there. And then I went straight into college coaching. I took a job at Texas A&M Commerce where I got my master's in health and kinesiology, which is why I teach the health and PE side. And so I've been teaching and coaching since 2000. So this, believe it or not, is technically the 21st year. And that doesn't sound right for me to say that, but it is. This is my 21st year. Oh. My 21st year, and I enjoy it, and I'm not sad or muffled about it, but I just enjoy the fact, and it just seems so strange. But as they say, when they say you can work a job, but you don't call it a job, that means, hey, you haven't really worked a day in your life, because I enjoy what I do. And many of you enjoy what you do, and so I want you to recognize that I, as a student, proud faculty member, proud dream team member here on the campus of YMLA, I want you to know that your son is in great hands with me. He really is. I like to think that he will enjoy himself with me. Some call me their favorite teacher, but I don't teach to be their favorite teacher. I teach to be the teacher that's going to be effective, most effective. And so I want them to enjoy themselves while they're here. So again, I just want you guys to be very much so happy and thankful that we're here. How can you contact me? You can contact me. Your best way to contact me is through email. And again, that is Ruben, REUBEN .Vaughn, VAUGHN @FWISD.org. That would be your best way to contact me. And because I check email quite a bit, so I might not get back to you that same day if you hit me in the afternoon. maybe in the morning when I get a chance to respond. So that's how you get to do it. All right. So again, enjoy your time here. I'm looking forward to getting to meet you whenever y'all feel confident and comfortable coming up here, because I know during this COVID season, everybody's a little different. And that's okay. I can adjust. But you got Zoom, you got all these other things. If you ever need a meeting, we can do those things. All right. All right. We're looking forward to you, and have yourself a great day.